Look at that! So, nakakapag-style ako ng buhok ko. So, bakit? Dahil may na-discover kasi ako dito sa TikTok. So, nagsa-style ako ng buhok ko. So, ito yung dating ginagawa ko nung kabataan ko. So, kasi yung buhok ko dati is always mahaba eh. So, kaya nasa-style ko siya ng kung ano-ano. So, yun ay na-overwhelmed kasi ako dahil meron akong nakita dito sa TikTok na product for my hair. At ito yun. So, yung Kera Glow Shampoo and Conditioner. So, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon. So, sa aking pagligo. So, for my hair care. So, at in fairness, malambot yung buhok mo at napapanatili niya yung volume, yung shine. So, ganun. So, eto siya. Kung gusto mo ng complete hair care set, so it includes both a shampoo and a conditioner for a comprehensive hair care routine. And this product is easy to use. Simple application process that integrates seamlessly into daily routines. So, it enhances hair health, features ingredients known for promoting hair vitality and softness. Hair Glow line, part of a special Hair Glow line designed to enhance hair health. So sale offer available as part of a special sale event for the cost-effective hair care. So and it is with argan oil and aloe vera. So formulated with argan oil and aloe vera to nourish and soothe your hair. So ayan siya. At ang nagagandahan ko pa dito ay 250 ml na siya. So 250 ml yung shampoo at 250 ml yung conditioner. So at eto pa. So this is the best feature ever. So eto yung pinaka-best feature nila. So, di ba, pag ganito lang siya, so, pag na-press mo yan, natatapon talaga yung product. Kasi, ayan, lalabas na yung product. So, at eto sila, meron silang pa ganito. So, pa-double na takip, protection na hindi mo talaga ma-press yung, yan, yung part na yan. At, naiiwasan na matapon yung product, naiiwasan na lalabas yung product kung hindi mo siya ginagamit. So, tanggalin mo lang yan pag ginagamit mo para doon lang siya ma-press. So, protection yan ha. So, see how protected the product is. So, para hindi talaga matapon at hindi masayang yung pera natin. So, may paganito pa sila. So, yan ang Kera Glow shampoo and conditioner. So, it comes in 250 ml bottle. So, if you want to try this product, nandyan lang yan sa yellow basket ko. Thank you so much for watching.